We will show you how to easily save any web page to PDF using Pdfcrowd's PHP API. Firstly, we will download Pdfcrowd PHP client library from the Pdfcrowd website. We will export the library to our project folder. We will open any text editor and create the simplest example to convert a web page to PDF. We will initialize HTML to PDF client object with our username and API key. You can find your API key on the Pdfcrowd website under your account. We will set a web page for the conversion and the output file name. Now our example is ready. We will execute it. And view the outputted PDF file. The whole web page was converted. We will modify our example to convert raw HTML code to PDF. We will change page size from the default A4 to letter. We will set our raw HTML code and the output file name. Now our example is ready to be executed. We will view the outputted PDF file. Our raw HTML code was converted. And the PDF file has letter page size. Now we will show you server-side conversion of raw HTML code to PDF. We will store PDF content in a variable. We must set the necessary HTTP response headers. Content type must be application/PDF. We will disable file caching. We will set the behavior of the browser on the client side to automatically save the PDF locally. Lastly, we will send the PDF content. Our server is now ready. We will start the local web server. We can now save the PDF via browser. The PDF file is saved successfully and we will check it out. Simple, isn't it?